Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add your Afterpay card to your Apple Wallet. So without further ado, let's get started. So to add your Afterpay card to your Apple Wallet, it's a pretty simple process. So as long as you follow this guide step by step, you'll have no problems doing so. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head on over to your App Store on your iOS device. You want to search for Afterpay and download the app. So once that's downloaded, you're good to go. You want to open the app. You're going to see this. You want to click on card at the bottom as shown below, and it's going to redirect you to the checkout page. From here, you can see an option that says link payment method. From here, you want to click that and add your Apple Wallet information, then you should be good to go. You're going to be provided a step-by-step guide there. Just follow it and you'll link it in no time. And if you have any problems linking it, I highly encourage you to reach out to support. So if this video helped you out today, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and if you have any further questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.